Hey everyone, Marshall with Haven Spa Pool and Hearth. One of the questions that we get quite often is not so much about the interior of the spa, but what about the exterior? What about cleaning and maintenance of your exterior of your spa? We do carry a full line of products by 303 to help you take care of both your cover, your cabinet, and the interior gloss areas of your spa. The first thing that I want to recommend is if you have a vinyl top, you're going to use the 303 Marine Vinyl Protectant. That's going to clean and protect a vinyl top that you have from sun damage, water spots, things like that. If you happen to have it's a sunbrella type material, a spa cover, that actually needs cleaning and protecting as well. 303 has a fabric guard cleaner and protectant that will do the same thing. It will help prevent sun fading, water spots, things like that. If you want to clean your cabinet or the edges of your spa, 303 makes a multi-surface cleaner and protectant, so you can clean the exterior of your spa, and it provides a little bit of protection for sun fading and things like that as well. And finally, if your cover gets everybody's favorite thing, which is the black mold underneath it, or mildew, you can use the 303 mold and mildew protectant that helps clean the cover and then helps prevent the mold and mildew from coming back. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop into any one of our locations in Beaverton, Clackamas, or Salem, Oregon, or Vancouver, Washington. Thanks for choosing Haven.